Auto Revs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to show you guys this car, which is the Ford EcoSport. Now this is the 2020 model, which means that it gets a BS6 petrol engine. In this video I'll be showing you guys the interior exterior features, as well as how much space do you get inside the car and even the boot space. So let's quickly start the video without wasting any more time. And guys, which next car do you want to see on the channel? Please do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions regarding the same or the other, you can definitely also ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly start the video. Hello everyone and welcome to Auto Revs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this car, which is the Ford EcoSport. Now this model is the top end variant, which is the Titanium Plus manual sports variant, and as you can see now, this color is called as the lighting blue color, and it definitely looks quite decent on the car. Guys, now this car has been provided to me from Navi Mumbai showroom Bhavna Ford. If you are interested in buying a Ford EcoSport, you can definitely contact Dinesh Shetty ji. Contact details are given in the description box below. And this is how the side profile of the car actually looks like. Talking about the wheelbase of the car, the wheelbase is 2519 mm, and this is how the rear profile of the car actually looks like. Talking about the dimensions, talking about the height is 1647 mm. Now let's quickly move at the front and let me show the front profile of the car. And the ground clearance of the car is also quite nice. I would say it is 200 mm. So guys, here at the front you actually get a big grille sort of a design with Ford logo right in the center. Talking about the headlamps, you actually get projector xenon headlamps with LED DRLs, which is again a good thing to have actually. And here, as you can see, those fog lamps are quite big in size, I would say, and those fog lamps are actually halogen bulbs. So that's about the front profile of the car. This is how the front profile of the car looks like. Now guys, talking about the dimensions, talking about the length of the car, the length of the car is actually 3998 mm, which means that the car is almost 4 meters in length. So guys, now let's have a look at the tire profile of the car. So here, as you can see, the tire profile is 205/50 R16. Those are 16 inches alloy wheels which you get. The design of the alloy wheels is quite decent again. Here, as you can see, on the ORVMs you actually get body colored ORVMs with side indicators, and the same thing goes with the door handles as well. You actually get body colored door handles. On the roof here, as you can see, you actually get those roof rails. So now let's have a look at the rear tire profile. So here, as you can see, the rear tire profile is actually kind of different. It is 205/60 R16. Those are again 16 inches alloy wheels. On the sides you have your EcoSport sticker, and subtle side molding is provided as well. So this is about the side profile, and now let's move on to the rear profile of the car. So here, as you can see, you actually get a rear wiper, washer and defogger as well. And on the top, as you can see, they have actually blackened the roof, and you also do get a shark fin antenna. And guys, this is actually the spare wheel of the car. And guys, in order to access the boot, the door actually opens up sideways. Most of you guys must be knowing that. Here you actually get your titanium S badge, and you also do get LED tail lamps right over here. And from here you can access or open the boot. Right now it's not opening because the car is locked. I have to unlock the car for that. Here you actually again get your Ford logo and EcoSport badge as well. Now let me quickly unlock it. So guys, here, as you can see, now I've unlocked the car. This is the key of the car. You only get 2 buttons for unlock and lock. And guys, here you actually get a button below this. By pressing the button, you can actually open and access the boot of the Ford EcoSport. And as you can see, this door actually opens up sideways horizontally, and this is how you can access the boot of the Ford EcoSport. Now this is the amount of space which you get in the car, in the boot space of the car. And to be precise, the boot space is actually 352 liters. And here, as you can see below this as well, you actually have some space where you can keep some of your stuff. And as you can see, the seats you actually do get 60-40 split. So that is again a nice thing to have, so that you can increase the luggage carrying capacity inside the car. Here you have some space to keep stuff, and the same thing goes there as well. So as this is the amount of space which you get, and this is how the interior of the car actually looks like. Now let's quickly move inside the car and let me show you what all features do you get in the top end variant. So this is how the interior of the car actually looks like. So guys, here, as you can see, the orange treatment inside the car definitely gives it a premium appeal inside the car. Let's quickly move inside the car. Let me show the features which you get in the interiors. Now let me quickly adjust the seat. And guys, talking about the engine, you actually get a 1.5 liter BS6 petrol engine which produces around 121 bhp of power and 149 Newton meters of torque. So guys, right now I'm inside the car, and as you can see, this is how the interior and the dashboard of the Ford EcoSport actually looks like. In the interior, you actually get all black interiors inside the car, and as you can see, this orange treatment which they have provided definitely kind of adds appeal inside the cabin. And this is how the car actually looks like from the interiors. Now let me really show you guys what all features are on offer. So here, as you can see, this is the music system which you get. It is obviously a touchscreen one. It supports Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, and you can check out the sound quality of the music system on Instagram. In terms of touch response also, it is quite decent, I would say. And here you have your automatic climate control AC, your controls for your automatic climate control AC. Here you have two USB sockets. Here you again get a traction control button provided right over here. Here you also have your 12-volt charging point provided. This is your 5-speed manual gearbox which you get right over here. In terms of practicality, you get 3 cup holders actually over here, and there is again some space to keep your stuff. You have your driver side armrest as well. Below this you obviously have some space to keep stuff. Here again you have a glove box provided. It is kind of decent in size, I would say. Here the orange treatment definitely looks quite nice inside the cabin, I would say. And here again some space is provided right over here. And talking about the steering wheel, here as you can see, this is how the steering wheel actually looks like. It is a leather wrap steering wheel which you get in this particular variant. And from those buttons you can actually toggle through the MID. I'll show you the MID as well. And here you again have your controls for your cruise control. Here you have your buttons for your volume controls right over here. And this is the MID which you get. Here you have your lever for your wiper. Here you have your lever for your indicator. Here actually you get your controls for your headlamps. In the door pads here, as you can see, those are your controls for your power windows, and you can also adjust and retract your ORVMs, outside rear view mirrors. From here you can adjust and close them from here as well. And here again, as you can see, there is some space to keep your stuff. There is a bottle holder provided right over here. On the pedals they have actually provided kind of a sporty appeal. So guys, I think I've spoken a lot about the interiors. Let me really show the sunroof. So here, as you can see, this is your sunglass holder provided right over here, and those are your controls for your lights as well as for your sunroof. So this is the sunroof which you get in the car. And here you again have your controls for lights. This is your automatic IRVM which you get right over here. In the sun visor on the driver side, you don't really get a vanity mirror. On the co-driver side you definitely do get one. So that is about it. Here you also have a light provided. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot about the interiors of the car. Here you actually get a button to lock and unlock the doors of the car, and those are the AC vents which you get. Here you have your engine start stop button provided. So I think I have spoken a lot about the car. Those are the AC vents which you get. So guys, now let me quickly start the car and let me quickly show the instrument cluster, how the instrument cluster actually looks like. So guys, this is the instrument cluster which you get in the Ford EcoSport. As you can see, it is quite plain and basic, I would say. On the left you actually have your tachometer, on the right you have your speedometer. You also get your fuel gauge provided. In the center you actually get your MID which will show you a few basic things. From the buttons over here you can actually toggle through the information. So when you press this, it will show you your different information. For instance, it will show you your average fuel consumption, distance to empty, odometer reading as well. So all those things can be seen right in the MID. And here, as you can see, it will also show you your temperature. So all those things can be seen in the MID of the Ford EcoSport. So guys, I think I've spoken a lot about the interiors of the car. Now let me quickly move behind and let me quickly show you guys how much space is on offer in the second row of the car. So let's quickly move behind. So guys, right now I'm in the second row of the Ford EcoSport, and as you can see, this is the amount of space which is on offer in the second row. Now the driver seat is not all the way ahead, it is somewhere in the middle. Here, as you can see, they have actually provided some space where you can keep your magazine and newspaper. And this is the amount of space. So here, as you can see, you can actually stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. Then the under thigh support is actually quite good, I would say. And in terms of knee room, you definitely do get decent amount of knee room over here. You can stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat over here. Here you have a small hump, but it is not a very big one, so it would not really intrude a lot. it would not really give a lot of trouble to the middle passenger sitting right over here. Here a good thing is the fact that you get adjustable headrest. There are only 2 adjustable headrests which you get in the car. In terms of shoulder room, you can easily get 2 adults and a kid in the middle. Here, as you can see, this is the sunroof which you also get in the car, and this is how the interior of the car actually looks like. And guys, let me show you the door pads of the car. So here, as you can see, they have actually provided a power window switch right over here, and here, as you can see, they have only provided a bottle holder. So that is the only space which you get in the second row of the Ford EcoSport. In terms of headroom, you definitely do get decent amount of headroom over here. So in terms of space, it is quite a decent car, I would say. Here you do get an armrest with 2 cup holders provided right over here. So that is a good thing again to have. And here those orange treatment inside the car definitely looks quite nice on the seat as well. Here, as you can see, they have provided those orange stitchings, which definitely adds a premium appeal inside the cabin. The dashboard also looks quite nice, I would say. This is the sunroof of the car. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot about the car. I hope you guys liked the video. So guys, this was a detailed walk around of the Ford EcoSport. I hope you guys liked the video. Which next car do you want to see on the channel? Please do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you are interested in buying a Ford EcoSport, you can contact Mr. Dinesh Shetty ji. Contact details are given in the description box below again. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.